use the editable grid in order to show data from 3 related tables within a model-driven app. So let me show you how this looks like. So if I go over to my account table and I pick a client, for example, I'm going to choose this client, and then I choose this customer appointments tab, you'll notice that it is showing me the pets that this customer has associated with. But also underneath, within the same grid, you'll notice that it will show me all the different appointments that this pet that belongs to this customer um, it has. So let me show you real quick what the data model looks like, so you guys understand what the basis of this video is. So you'll notice that we start with account that has a one-to-many relationship to our pet table that also has a one-to-many relationship to our pet appointments. So basically, we want to be able to list all of the different appointments that a particular customer has. And if that customer has multiple pets, like the one we just saw, everything you're able to visualize everything within a single view or grid within a model-driven app. So let me show you how to how to accomplish something like this in order to show data from three related tables within Dataverse. So I'm gonna go back into my solution. I'm gonna go into the form that I'm trying to edit. So in this case, I'm gonna go to my account and then go to forms. And then I'm going to go and modify my main account form, okay? Now, within my form, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a new tab just for the purpose of this demo. And I'm gonna call this, I'm gonna call this three related tables view, okay? Ugh, I can't spell today, view, okay. So basically within this section, I'm gonna go back into my grid view. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna insert the new component. This component is going to be a grid, but I'm going to use the editable grid. First thing that you'll notice about the editable grid is it first asks for which table you're gonna put in, the first table that you wanna put in here. So the first table that we have a relationship is our pet table. So I'm gonna go ahead and search for pet. And then it's gonna ask which view do you wanna present from the pet table. I'm gonna go ahead and choose my active pets. And then you'll notice that it also has a subgrid. So it allows you to put another related table. In this case, I'm going to choose now my pet appointments table. By the way, this is only allowed with the editable grid. The other subgrid would allow you to add 3 related tables. So I'm gonna go and do pet appointments. And then it's gonna ask for which view from this table you wanna show in here, okay? And then it's gonna ask which of the records has a relationship from your third table to your second table. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose my pet lookup, right? So that's the one that has a lookup between my pet and my pet appointments table. Another good thing about the editable grid is they allow you to, do a group by. I will show you guys what a group by looks like. So it allows you to, turn on filtering or hide filtering if you want. And this thing at the bottom will allow you to hide the alphabetic number and that shows at the bottom. I'm gonna leave this on for now. I'm gonna click done. The weird thing about this is the solution. I think what happened is, like I said, when you first add this, it tries to reset itself. So all you gotta do is go ahead and select the table one more time. So this is related to my pet. I'm gonna click reset component. I wanna make sure, that I show related records from pets to active. I'm gonna make sure to go back into the editable grid and make sure that all of this is correct. Click done. I'm gonna go ahead and click save. I'm gonna go ahead and republish this one more time. I'm gonna go back into my application. I'm gonna refresh. Hopefully I'm gonna refresh 2 more times just to make sure there's no cache issues. I'm gonna go to the 3 related tables view. And here it is, folks. So now I can see that this particular one has a pet called Lola, who has been to 1 appointment. And he also has another pet called Simona, who has been to multiple appointments. So as you guys can see, this is actually going from 3 tables deep to the customer, to the pet appointments table, all within one view. We talked about how this grid is editable, so you could probably come in here and change some fields. So for example, if I wanted to make a change maybe to the appointment, to the weight of the pet, I could come in and change it here, and the temperature. So this is why it's called an editable grid, because it allows you to change records right on the spot using an Excel like grid. But it also allows you to, group based on different things. So for example, if I have multiple pets and I wanted to group this maybe by the date of birth, I will be able to do this. So you'll notice that now this is being grouped by pets, uh, date of birth. In this case, it doesn't make sense, but this is what the group by functionality does. And this right here is the alphabet. So it allows you to quickly filter your list for the pets that belong, for example, with the S. So you'll notice that this automatically filters to Simona because Simona starts with the letter S. If I was to press the L, you'll notice that it shows me only the pets that begin with L. So I hope you guys found this useful. If you want to learn how to build low-code applications such as this one using Dataverse and model-driven apps, please do sign up for the class. It is going to be again in April. So thank you and see you guys next time.